Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to link your Twitch account to your Loupedeck. Now, I've already done this once before, but I want to do it again. I didn't like the audio on that one, so here we go. First, we're going to click on this little gear in the corner. Then we're going to click on Account. And then you're going to go to the Add New, hit the drop down. You're going to select Twitch. Now, you can see my bot is already in here. You can add multiple accounts. But you do want to be signed into the one that you add, though, because it's going to automatically add it. Once you click the button, it's going to open up a new page. Can't see it, it's off screen. And then it's going to add it automatically, the one that you are connected to. There we go. There's my Zephyrium account. You can hit done. Now, we're going to pop on over to our OBS Studio. And we're going to link our account. So we're going to click on our profile, click on the little gear of whatever profile you're using. Now mine's already added in here, so I'll go ahead and delete that real quick. We'll start over from the beginning. You're going to add plugin, click on Twitch, and then you're going to select your account. And then we're going to create a new button. Now I already have a button here. You can see it, Sounds Chat. Delete that real quick. We're going to hit Add New. You don't want to do action name first because it will change it to the message text. So you want to do the message text first. And then add in the action name after that. So there we go. We'll call this one Sounds Chat Command. Now we'll go ahead and drag the command over. Put it right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Twitch page here in a second. I click on the button and boom, my chat command comes up. It's as simple as that. You can do all kinds of different chat commands. You can do bot commands, whatever it is you need. And that's all there really is to it. So if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, need help with another aspect of the Loupedeck Live, go ahead and put those in the comments below and I will go ahead and try and answer those the best I can. Have a good day, everyone.